Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to extract text before first space in Excel. Okay, now select full text, single text or multiple text and go tools tab. Select text drop down list. Now see this extract text. Then click here and use firstly show this interface. You click extract by rules. Okay, now I already selected this. Then remove this, remove here. Okay, press space and type, hold shift, press 8 for start. Now click add, then okay, and you extract to single cells. Example, I select this space. Now click OK. Now see this extract text before first space in Excel. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like,